Hi, my name is James McCall, Senior Program Manager at Microart Services. We offer a wide range of services to our customers, ranging from rapid prototyping through to mid to low volume production. Microart had used a number of commercial grade 3D printers before we found the array, both internally as well as third parties. What we found the challenge to be is scaling those third party offerings or our own internal offerings to be able to accommodate our customers when they move from the prototyping phase into low to mid volume production. Array has helped us overcome production shortages as they appear, which as a manufacturer, these things happen quite often. One example I have of that was a nylon washer, which was a custom item for one of our customers. We were looking at an 8-week lead time to have the parts brought in from their traditional source. Rather than approach the customer and tell them we were going to be delayed because of a part which cost fractions of a penny, we were able to print samples with the array in a matter of minutes, send them off to them for approval, and we were back up and running at no cost or time impact to our customer. The ability to develop and produce these tools internally has the potential to save us over $100,000 annually, while also cutting our timeline for production tooling from weeks to days. Our customers have seen a benefit of being able to work on design changes with our staff in real time in the same time zone. As a contract manufacturer, ultimately the decision for 3D printed parts is up to our customer. More and more, we are seeing customers looking to reduce their lead times and cost associated with traditional injection molding. The array has given us the ability to provide a real option to them in terms of the speed at which we can provide both our own internal requirements as well as offerings to our customers. Rather than sending off changes and waiting for tooling to be modified and samples provided, which can take weeks, we're able to work with our customers one-on-one and provide prints in a matter of hours, at the most days. We have used most of the filament offerings from Mosaic, as well as a number of third-party options, but primarily we have been using ESD PET-G, ABS, Matrix, and Nylon. Mosaic customer support has been second to none. With a quick call to the support team, we've been able to overcome issues both mechanical and technical with regards to our prints. It really has been a seamless process getting us up and printing.